SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to get the smiley face on your iPhone keyboard in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like to be able to send emojis to other people through text messages, but you don't have the smiley face icon on your keyboard, then you can add it by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the General option. You can then scroll down again and select the keyboard button from this menu. Now you just need to tap keyboards at the top of this screen, and then you can select the Add New Keyboard option. Now you just need to scroll down and find the emoji option from the list of keyboards, and then you can tap it, which is going to add it here to indicate that that keyboard has been installed on your phone. Now when you go back to the Messages app, you should be able to open a conversation, tap inside the message field, and then you'll see that smiley face icon there, which you can tap to then scroll through the different emojis that are available, and then you can just tap on one of those emojis to include it in the message.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.